In this video, I'll show you how to fix a volume button on a Roku remote that's not working. So on our Roku remote, the volume down button stopped working. The volume up button still worked fine, so I'll show you how to take this apart. First, you want a little flathead screwdriver, and you'll just work your way down along the edges. I wasn't able to do this without scuffing my remote up, so you may not be able to unless you have little plastic opening tools that are specially made for something like this. But once you get it to start separating, just take another little flathead and just pry it open. Once you're able to take the remote apart, the secret to fix this volume button is just to take it apart and put it back together. And you can see that these are just plastic buttons. They actually just cover up these little switches that serve as the volume up and down button. So you just want to reseat all of the different plastic buttons where they're supposed to go. Here's a close-up of the buttons that are actually sticking together. You want to make sure that the volume button is free from this purple button that sits right below it. It seems like they get snagged on each other, and that's what actually causes the volume down button to get stuck or stop working. So to put this back together, all you do is make sure that all the buttons are seated properly, and you just put it back together and snap it into place. So here's my Roku remote after I put it back together, and you can see that the volume up and down buttons are both working now. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.